Hello guys. Today customer called and said he is facing some trouble in the porch of his house. So when I got there, I found out that the lights and fan you are seeing right now was not turning on. And even if it turns on within a minute, it will shut down or it will turn off again. So I troubleshoot and saw that there was a loose connection. So stay tuned and watch how I made it. So as you can see right now, there were much cobwebs in the fan regulator. So I'll try to clean it so that I can get a correct view of the fan regulator. As you know already, when you are troubleshooting, doesn't mean that you need to go straight to the distribution board or anything. You need to first check where the problems are coming from exactly. And in this case, as you know already, if the fan and the light that's not, or when it turns on, it turns off within a second. So now I was looking for where the fault is. So right now I removed the cable to check and see the, if the light will turn back on. I removed one of the switch wires, which is the fan switch wire, to check and see if the light will turn back on. But when I did that, it still didn't turn on. So I was still checking to see, looking for other alternatives to get rid of the fault and solve it. So now I thought of, let's say maybe the cable was not well connected. So I was just looking at the back of the terminals of the switch to see if there is no misconnection at that place. That's what I'm doing right now. I took my tester and tested if it's a wrong connection. So now when I saw that still the light was not coming, and now out of checking the distribution board to see if the line is continuous or the light was the live wire was well connected. So as you can see, I'm about to check the distribution board and see if a live wire from the mains or from the distribution board is working properly. And look at this. You can see that now the light have turned on. So that means absolutely there is a loose contact in the distribution board. So I went out to confront the customer so that I'll be able to turn off the main switch. That's one thing you need to do when troubleshooting. And you can't do troubleshooting with without the light being on, being turned on. Because if you don't have power, you won't be able to use your testers. I think in some cases, if you are using mega testers like mega and the others, you can turn off the lights and test what you want to do. But in this case, I'm not using mega. So then, so I went and confronted the customer. Yes, my customer. So here I was telling the customer what was going on. That's when I turn it, when I closed it back, you can see the light was flicking. So that means there's a loose contact in that place. So I needed to cross check inside the distribution board instead. And you need to know that when troubleshooting, you don't know the exact place the fault might be. So the thing you need to do is make a step, like thought of some steps. And these steps are like ask the customer, let's say what happened before this thing happened. The customer will be the one to give you the first step to embark on your troubleshooting, also known as tracing your faults. So now that I've seen what is going on right now, I was opening the distribution board to check and see if I'll get any clue inside that place that will show me the main problem in that connection. So as you can see, I'm now opening the distribution board. So right now I was checking if my connection or if the connections are correct. As you can see, I'm currently using my digital tester. And with this digital tester, if there's a short circuit, it will detect it. And if there is correct connection, it won't be, it will show it as well. So I was still looking for the exact circuit breaker that this light is on, or this light was connected, or where the main light, which is the light from the front board. So I was trying to see if I can see how the connection is being connected at that place. So now I tried removing one breaker I thought, or one circuit breaker which I thought might be the place where the main light is coming from, but it wasn't that one. So I was still looking for the faulty place or the place the loose connection is coming from. Mhm. So a guy so I'm still checking to see where the loose contact is. So I I started testing to see if I'll get one place that the live or the power is not coming. But everywhere I checked, the light was coming until I saw this one breaker, and that breaker was our goal or our way to life. So that breaker was having a fault. So that place was what or the place where the mains or the live wire was coming from. So now I took my screwdriver and start screwdriver and disconnected it. But as you can see, the light was flicking too much, so I needed to turn off the breaker, the main switch, so that I can embark on the loosening or moving the cable and retighten it. So I'm still working on that. Tighten all the terminals so that if there will be any, if there is about to be any loose contact again, I will solve it before it happens again. Maybe today I've seen it fast. Maybe the next or in the near future, it will be hard for me to verify. So as you can see, where I was trying to switch on, I remember that it was for the fan. So yeah, so now that I've seen the loose contacts, this was one of the breakers where the loose contact was. So I was loosening it and tightening it so that it will be well connected or it will be well contact will be firm. So as you can see right now, I'm still I'm trying to place the cables inside. Now I was checking to see if the breakers terminal is well opened so that I can place my cable inside and tighten it firm to tighten it firm. So now as you can see the lights are on. But now at this time I have disconnected the fan switch wire already. So the only thing I needed to do is I need to get down and reconnect a fan's cable to the switch. As you can see, the light is now working as it should be working. So now I'm connecting the fan's switch wire back to the switch. So now the fan 2 has turned on. So that means our work is done. So now I needed to place all the covers, place on all the covers.
So this conference, I'm done. Don't turn on the light. It's a channel. Okay, some second if you tell them to get involved in so one of the heroes it's all in the region of
So this is the end product. I've covered all the places. So my job was done. So thank you. This is US Electric. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. God bless you. Peace out.